What if I told you McLaren built a car that breaks every rule? No license plate, no passenger seat, no compromises, just pure, unfiltered performance. This is the 2026 McLaren Solus GT, and it's not just rare, it's barely legal to exist. Welcome to DriveVerse. Today, we go beyond roads, beyond rules, and into the world of a track-focused hypercar that looks like it escaped from Le Mans. Let's begin with the essentials. The Solus GT was born as a video game concept. Literally, it first appeared in Gran Turismo Sport as a virtual prototype, and now, in 2026, McLaren turned that concept into a real, physical machine. But here's the catch. Only 25 units will ever be made. None are road legal, and every one is already sold. So why does it matter? Because this is McLaren Unleashed. No regulations, no limits, just performance, art, and technology fused into one brutal expression of speed. Let's start with the design. It's not just extreme, it's alien. The canopy opens like a fighter jet. The rear wheels are covered in aerodynamic pods. The front splitter and rear diffuser look like something off an LMP1 race car. There's no side mirrors, just cameras. No doors, just a slide-in cockpit. No luxury, just carbon, aluminum, and raw velocity. The entire body is crafted from Monaco carbon fiber. It weighs less than 1,000 kilograms, under 2,200 pounds. That's lighter than a Mazda Miata, but it makes 5 times the power. So let's talk about what's behind your back when you're in the driver's seat. A 5.2-liter naturally aspirated V10 built by Judd, the same people who make engines for endurance racing. No turbo, no hybrid, just air, fire, and fury. It revs to 10,000 RPM, delivers 829 horsepower, and sounds like thunder being torn in half. The power goes to the rear wheels through a 7-speed sequential gearbox, mounted like a true race car, with paddle shifters and straight-cut gears that rattle your soul. But it's not just about noise and numbers. The Solus GT generates over 2,600 pounds of downforce, more than its own weight. That means it can corner like a Formula car and stop on a dime thanks to carbon ceramic brakes. Inside, it's not a cabin, it's a cockpit. You don't sit, you strap in. The steering wheel is detachable and inspired by F1 cars, with telemetry readouts and a built-in radio system. Every car comes with a custom-fitted seat molded to the driver's body. You also get a full race suit, helmet, and Hans device, because McLaren knows exactly what you're going to do with it. Track it hard. This isn't a garage queen. It's not for coffee runs or showrooms. It's built to dominate circuits, with no apologies. So, how fast is it? McLaren hasn't given us an official 0 to 60 time, but insiders suggest 2.5 seconds. Top speed, over 200 miles per hour, but that's not the point. This car is built for corners, not straights. For lap records, not drag races. Now, let's address the elephant in the room, the price. You're looking at around $4 million, and that doesn't include the track support package, pit team, and transportation services McLaren offers for Solus GT owners. But here's the truth. This isn't about cost, it's about concept. The Solus GT is McLaren saying, what if we didn't care about rules? What if we just made the fastest, loudest, purest machine we could? And then, they did. So what do we make of the Solus GT? It's rare, it's extreme, it's inaccessible, but that's what makes it legendary. It's a reminder that in a world of range anxiety and electric silence, there's still room for V10s, sequential gearboxes, and track-only lunacy. And if you're watching this, you understand that spirit. The thrill of raw engineering, the obsession with performance, the art of speed. This isn't just a car, it's a statement. Thanks for watching DriveVerse, where the line between reality and dream gets blurred by downforce and carbon fiber. If you crave cinematic car content with edge, subscribe now, because the next machine might be even crazier than this one. Until then, stay fast, stay sharp, and we'll see you in the paddock.